How to share NGL link on Facebook story. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So the very first thing which you want to check out before you actually start this is if you go to the settings, then to account center, make sure that you actually have a Facebook account connected to your Instagram account. Once you've made sure that that is the case, go back, go to NGL, click on copy your link. So copy it right over here. That's step 1. Step 2 is share. So then here you have a brief explanation. Click the sticker button, click link, then add the link, and then put it right over there. So click on share to Instagram and then go to the stickers. Click on link, paste in the link, click on done. Put the link right over here. Perfect, just like that. Then you want to click on your stories in the bottom left corner. If you long hold this, you can select if you want to share it to only your Instagram story or also your Facebook story. So if you click, if you have this selected, then click on share. And now we're actually sharing it on Instagram, and let's just wait for this to upload. Now, if you go to Facebook and it has not yet been uploaded to Facebook as well, then what you want to do is simply go back to your Instagram and then to your story. And at the bottom, you can see Facebook. Click on there. And now we have refreshed it. If I click on NGL link, it does say visit link. And there you go. We have now shared the NGL link on Facebook as well. So yeah, that is how to share NGL link on Facebook story.